Have you ever spent ages marking up your TradingView charts with trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and support/resistance levels, only to wonder if all that hard work simply vanishes when you close the tab? It's a valid concern, especially for traders and analysts who rely heavily on visual analysis. The good news is, TradingView is designed to save your precious drawings, but there are a few nuances you need to understand to ensure they're always there when you need them. Let's dive into how TradingView handles your chart drawings and how you can make the most of its saving features. First off, the fundamental answer is yes, TradingView does save your drawings. This isn't just a basic save either, it's a sophisticated system that aims to keep your analysis consistent across devices and sessions. The key to this lies in how TradingView manages layouts and its autosave and synchronization features. When you draw on a chart, those drawings are associated with the specific chart layout you're currently using. A layout essentially captures everything about your chart: the symbols, indicators, chart type, time frames, and, crucially, your drawings. TradingView allows you to save multiple layouts, each tailored to different trading strategies or asset classes. For instance, you might have one layout for your Forex pairs with specific trendline configurations, and another for crypto with different indicators and drawing styles. Now, how do these drawings actually get saved? TradingView offers an autosave feature. When enabled, your chart settings and drawings are automatically saved to your default layout after a short period of inactivity, typically around 10 seconds. This is incredibly convenient as it means you don't have to manually hit a save button every time you make a minor adjustment. If you see a small blue save icon under your layout's name in the top panel, it indicates there are unsaved changes. Once autosave kicks in, or if you manually save, that icon will disappear, confirming your changes are secure. Beyond autosave, TradingView leverages cloud-based storage. This is a game changer for anyone who works across multiple devices. Because your layouts and drawings are stored in the cloud, logging into your TradingView account from a different computer, tablet, or even the mobile app will pull up your saved charts exactly as you left them. This seamless synchronization is a massive benefit, allowing you to pick up your analysis wherever you are. However, there are some important considerations for optimal drawing management. If you're working with multi-chart layouts, which many traders do for multi-time frame analysis, TradingView also provides drawing synchronization options within those layouts. You can choose to synchronize drawings on charts that share the same symbol. This means if you draw a trend line on a 1-hour chart of Euro to US dollar, and you have a 15-minute Euro to US dollar chart open in the same layout, that trend line can automatically appear on both. Furthermore, for paid plans, TradingView offers global drawing synchronization, allowing drawings to sync across all your layouts, regardless of the symbol. This can be incredibly powerful for keeping a consistent view of key levels across your entire watch list. While TradingView's saving mechanisms are robust, a few scenarios can lead to drawings appearing to be lost. Clearing your browser cache or app data can sometimes wipe locally stored layout information, especially if autosave or cloud sync wasn't fully active. Similarly, if you're using a limited free plan, there might be restrictions on the number of layouts you can save. It's always a good practice to ensure you're logged into your TradingView account and that autosave is enabled for peace of mind. In essence, TradingView goes to great lengths to ensure your chart drawings are saved, accessible, and synchronized. By understanding the role of layouts, the power of autosave, and the various synchronization options, you can be confident that your hard-earned analysis won't simply disappear. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.